I'm Lance, the install guy. You're watching Enhance Your Ride, brought to you by Tough Trucking. Today we're talking about performance packages and how they can better enhance your ride. If you're looking to get the most out of your ride, it starts with a Tough Trucking performance package. There's 3 parts of this performance package that you gotta have. It all starts up front with a cold air intake. We use the S&B Inc. It's the best set of lungs on the market. This cold air intake will make your truck breathe better and perform at its best. Hot air to an engine is like being in a sauna. You can't breathe. It chokes you out. The engine's already hot, right? So in order for the engine to stay cooler, it has to be cooler. You can't take something that's extremely hot and force hot air into it. It just won't work. The hotter the engine runs, the more fuel it burns. So just like you, when you get hot, you get tired. Same thing with a truck. If you're gonna do a cold air intake, an exhaust is a must-have. And these 2 things, they gotta go hand in hand. If you're gonna change the amount of airflow coming in, you gotta change the amount of airflow going out, or otherwise you're gonna bog down your motor. And the stock stuff just won't handle it. The exhaust will change the tone of your vehicle, but that's not the main point. The main point is to get the hot air out fast. If you're pumping in the cold air and you got a little bitty exhaust pipe, it takes twice as long for the exhaust to come out. The last part of our performance package is the Bully Dog programmer, and it brings it all together. The Bully Dog is a handheld device that helps us talk to your vehicle. So basically the trucks have got a factory setting, and we go in and we unlock the truck pretty much so the truck can do what it was meant to do. So if you got a truck that needs to hit the gym, come see me at Tough Trucking and I'll beef it up.